no ramp to make them gyal a roll out them eyes. Go down there, wine and go down there. Go down there, wine and.
Me, frenemy, enemy. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me. All these neck just wanna be a mini me.
Welcome back to the Denton Family Channel. So now we are all dressed and on our way to the all-white party. Obviously, I just tried one outfit and that's it. I didn't do all the rigmarole, even though I bought a couple of the shirts and stuff like that and another pants. But Stacy bought several outfits and she did all the trials and tried them on and different iteration of it and so on and so forth. But this is what she settled on. I don't know if she settled on it on her own. I chose this one. I kind of chose this one. So, yeah, so that's what we had. Yeah. She'd been to the sport before. I never been. It's on a golf course or something?
Yeah, on the, I don't remember what over there is called, but yeah, it's on a golf course.
Yeah, so we'll see. We opt for Uber as opposed to driving because it's not far from where we live.
We'll be drinking.
And we'll be drinking probably more than one drink. And obviously we don't want to be, drinking and driving. So that's a no-no. So we opt for an Uber.
So we're in an Uber now.
And it's probably about not even 10 minutes away from our house. It's pretty close. Pretty close. I'm sure when we get close to the venue, we're gonna hit traffic and it's gonna be slow because last year when you went, I dropped you there and the traffic was.
Yeah, the traffic was really bad. So we'll monitor it by the time we get over here, and if it's horrible, then we'll just get out and walk.
Yeah, because it's not far. Yeah, it's not far from where we're going. So yeah. So I may say yeah. Yeah, I think I love that for lipstick.
Yeah? I was gonna wear a different color because I'm like, it's matte daylight, so why do I need to wear this red?
If something don't broke, why would you fix it?
Right, but you like this, so
yeah, that looks really good.
Okay, I'll wear the red.
Yeah, that's kind of
I'll wear the red for you. It's the only reason I'm wearing the red, really.
What would you wear for yourself?
I was gonna go more nude.
Okay.
I was gonna go nude. So yeah, but I think this looks good. So that's cool. I'll go with what you say.
Okay. What do they look like in the picture?
You're the boss. What?
I'm the boss. Yeah, okay, good.
You're the boss today, okay? You're a boss man
right,
today.
good,
I'll give you that today, okay?
From now on, I'm making all the decisions.
All right.
Yeah, I'm making all the decisions.
I don't know about you making all the decisions about what I wear.
I just tell you what to do and you do it.
Not happening.
Okay, all right. I thought that's what you said.
No.
Okay.
No.
So, what are you looking forward? You have some friends you're gonna link up with.
Oh my god, yeah, of course. Like, all my girlfriends are there. Like my BFF, Jay-Z, her sisters, Galene, and Daisia, and Cousin Sham.
And
all
she
my
is,
girls.
and she's Colleen Kears on YouTube, right?
Oh yeah.
Is that her YouTube? Okay.
She's a big YouTuber.
Oh, she's a big YouTuber.
We're like
big YouTubers.
Mini.
Yeah.
We're like just trying.
Yeah, like kind of
just saying,
hobby.
Hey.
Yeah, that's like okay, spare time.
Per husband, like not me. I'm like, he's utilizing all the
spare time.
Yeah.
But for Colleen, Colleen, she's like a pro. Yeah, this is like okay.
She does her thing.
Yeah, and beautiful videos and tons of videos, tons of followers, and we like her video and
it's cool.
Talk back and forth. But yeah, she is great at what she does.
Yeah. So anyways, I'm looking forward to seeing them. I'll see them soon. Yeah. Alright, so I guess I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.
Ladies are inside and I'm right on the back.
He's vlogging. You have any Shein on? Nothing but Shein, be of it. Let me tell you something. I'm about to print. The shades are I'm about to print something on the video, like on a t-shirt. That's a nothing but Shein, be of it.
This reminds me of when I was a child and running down truck. Up in truck.
Oral, you're up on the putt-putt?
Yeah, on the back.
I got a Shein. Yes, let me see a Shein. The ring? Yeah.
Oh, short? Not in a while.
This is a ride to the party. On the back of a car.
I couldn't walk that far.
you to scream happy birthday to that person, please. We got old people, we got young people. We have everybody here, so we're gonna play music for everybody today. You understand? Young and mature, there. So we're gonna play music for everybody. So before I get to the madness and the new song them, let me see if y'all know music, and we're gonna play everything today. I don't want you to feel like when DJ Kennedy are playing, you're just gonna hear one set of music. I'm playing everything. I can start it like this. Women that's always supported and loved Chef Mr. Grant forever. But what I'm asking is, tell your friends that's on their way, tell your friends that bought their ticket late because they thought it was going to rain. We're closing the gate. We want to respect the law and the full speed. For rules. And when you understand rules, you come out early.
Somebody's iPhone, Cherie's calling. If you're here with your friend, hug up your friend. If you love your friend, sit down and tell me feed you. Oh, she sing me the food. 2:30, that's how the more time. Ladies, can you sing?
Don't forget August the 6th. Chef Garfield, DJI 61st Jamaica Independence Cruise.
Memories. The All-White Party, Brooklyn.
Sunday, July 23rd is all about colors galore. Big days, yeah.
That's the echo with the God. See that Christ shall have a man. Shot fire, every man a drop flat. Everybody's drunk, every man a Ali be there, Jelani there, Steely Bash there, Massive be there, Polish there. Every man a drop flat. Can it be? What you tell them? We man a dance, everything we bad. Man a dance, everything we bad. Black rain fall when you see me now. Still man a be like.
dog. Me big up the African them dog. Me big up the Antigua them Henry and the crew them dog. Me big up the whole of them all the Belizean them. Big up all my Latinos and the Latinos in the building. Anybody from Puerto Rico, anybody from Cuba, anybody
for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your trip.
That's enough videos.